Good evening, Coach Leo, and congratulations. As mentioned, you had a slow start, but the team was able to get going later on. How much of a factor was Don in changing the complexion of the game?
Well, just like I said, before you talk to me, uh, bench is very important because in our last few games, bench is not performing well. But with Don and Jericho, uh, at least nakatulong sila dito sa sa production ng mga points and that's what we're waiting for because when it comes to rotation the previously talagang very short kami, that's why uh, kinakapos kami sa dulo, and then that's one thing na we want to arrest our low start pinag-uusapan namin yan but we have to understand that Meralco is coming off 11 days break before this game, so we know na they are very energetic and that's what happened the first quarter. Luckily, so yung sense of urgency ng team hindi nawala and then yun ang ini-expect ko dahil this game is really important for us although important din for Meralco, but we need to win in order for us not to be eliminated dahil very close some teams the bottom four is trying to their best, especially Converge. They have 4-6 record, so they know they have a chance. And we don't know yet what will happen, but we're not assured of anything. At least we have a chance.
Thank you, Coach Leo. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Don, kamusta yung injury mo? Okay ka na ba? Or pinilit mo ba? O,
Okay naman, may pain pa rin pero manageable naman.
medyo nag-struggle ka nung first half,
First half.
sa second half, pumutok ka na dahil ba sa injury? Or
Hindi naman, siguro yung rhythm lang kasi two games akong out. So, mahirap yung kunin yung rhythm So, 10 days akong parang last 3 days lang ako nakapag-practice. So, yung rhythm kasi yung kailangan. So, yeah, hindi ko siya nakuha nung first half. I think.
Hi, good evening. Coach, kamusta lang si Benny so far? Kasi parang medyo up and down yung performances in the past few games, especially
what I
tonight.
noticed from him, very sluggish siya, especially during practice. Maybe he's still adjusting with our weather. Dahil everybody from us, talagang akala mo meron ng mga fever. They have to adjust, and especially now, kahit kayo, mag-ingat kayo dahil the haze, and that's happening because of the fire happening in the landfill of Nabotas, guys. It's really difficult to stay around the city, and probably there's a lot of virus going on in the air, dahil I observe a lot of teams having a lot of problem regarding the cough and flu. But I'm sure Benny, after this game, I think he will realize na he needs to perform well, especially in the next two games namin, which is a must-win for us to get into the next round.
may sense of urgency ba, naramdaman mo ba yun in the past days kasi after nung natalo sa Blackwater?
Yeah, I told them na there's no other way for us to get into the especially this next game, which is Meralco, and they know Meralco is a contender for the top four. So alam namin na it's really harder, but they remain focused a little bit nakita natin naman ng but the problem is our start always there. Most of our games against Rain or Shine, against NLEX, come from behind kami. And mabuti nasusustain namin itong game na to and then sa NLEX. But other team, especially Blackwater at saka Rain or Shine, talagang bad start hanggang dulo. Ganyan But we have to take care of our ball now dahil especially itong endgame, kamuntik na kaming kapusin dahil we committed a lot of turnovers na converted yun And ayun, medyo swerte lang kami ng konti.
Coach, sasabihin ng tao yung remaining games ninyo madali dahil light opponent. Ano mo doon, response mo doon na light yung schedule nyo? Perception.
You have to think especially last game namin is Phoenix, that is very important we need to win 7 to secure the quarterfinals, ano. And we don't know yet if we have a chance to make it to the top four. But very remote. Possible, pero very slim yung chance. But we need to do is to beat rain or shine to avoid any complication. Dahil Magnolia is still there and then Converge is at 4-6. So they have a chance because their next game is against NLEX and Blackwater. And then if they win in the next two games nila, so probably they're looking for a tie. And Magnolia right now is 4-6. So up for 5, may mga chance may chance pa yung Converge That's why we don't need to be tied with Magnolia dahil Magnolia beat us by 19 points. So to avoid that that kind of scenario, so we have to win in our next two games.
Okay.
That sums up our post-game press conference. Thank you and congratulations once again, Coach Leo, Don, and